Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SMCAD. In my previous tutorial, I show you how to draw in AutoCAD 2D table lamp as shown on screen. In this tutorial today, we will convert the same design into 3D model. So let's start. You see this model on screen. I'll just copy this to one side and I will trim the half portion. TR double enter. So this line we don't need. Here also this one we don't need. And I will delete this line also. Now if you click on line, so it is a joining line. Last time we joined in the previous tutorial. So with X command we will explode these lines. I need this line in two different joining. So we explode the line and I will take offset with the 5 unit. One from here, one from here, and again we will do some trimming for the extra edges. Okay, and we will extend this line also to the top. Okay, again we will do some joining. So J for join, this one, these line we join together, and repeat the same for this portion also. Enter. We will delete these line, not required anymore now, and we have command revolve, REV. Enter. This line, this portion also. Enter. First point, second point, and with 360 degree we will completely draw this. Okay, now I'll remove these lines, which is no need for this anymore. But if you see here, I'm on the top view. For elastic, I will go to isometric view from here, and I will just rotate this with the 3DR command. 3DR, 3D rotate. Enter on this axis with the 90 degree. Okay, so now you can see here it is almost ready, but we have to do some material job here. So we'll go to material lab, MAT, for best color and realistic shape. So for bottom we will give wooden color. I will go to in Autodesk library, will go to wood, and here you will have so many options, but I'll go with the plywood. That is looks better. Plywood new. Okay, that looks better. Okay, and for the top portion we will go to another section of library. It is called fabric, and in the fabric also you will have so many options, but I will go with the strips, blue and gray, or blue white. Yeah, this looks better. So I hope you like this video. You can also see from bottom also it is looks like realistic shape of table lamp. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please follow me for more AutoCAD tutorials.